Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a transparent logo in CapCut PC. So after you add your videos, you can just import the logo as overlay into the CapCut PC. Here I'm going to import it first into CapCut PC. Just find the logo. For example, here I'm going to add this CapCut logo into my projects. Click on the plus icon or just drag it and put it on top of the videos or photos that you just added. Adjust the size, and here to make it transparent you can just scroll down and go to blend, then just lower the opacity, and it will be transparent like this. And you can also change the mode. For example, if you want to click on darken or just click on light brighten to remove the black background. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.